Here at Uwharrie RV in Albemarle, North Carolina. This is a pre-owned unit that we've taken in. This is a 2019 Sunseeker LE, model number 2250. This has less than 4,000 miles on it. It's got 3,800 miles on the odometer. It's in absolute great shape. Really nice coloring. You can see the big, huge awning on this unit. This unit is equipped with the StabiliTrak, and it's powered with a 6.0 Chevy liter engine. And this unit is fully self-contained. It's got a 4009 generator in it. This does have a slide for the bedroom. It's got some really big storage in the back here. That plugs there where your generator would plug in. It's got a walkable roof. Already has a hitch on the back if you want to pull a car behind you. And let's walk inside this unit and check it out. So when you walk in, we have a dinette that does turn into a bed. Up top up here, we got the beautiful cabinetry. Check out all the storage. Goes all the way through. Got a full hanging closet back here. That'll hold a lot of clothing. On the other side, that is adjustable shelving. Goes all the way back. You got 3 drawers. Got a queen walk-around bed. Makes it kind of nice. Got your television in the back here. It's your sink separate from the kitchen. And check out that shower. It's got a low lip in there so you don't have to climb into it real heavy. Your toilet, and that is for the air conditioner for your central air. This unit's got a 7.5 cubic foot Dometic gas electric. You can actually run this while you're driving down the road. Got a good sized freezer. And in the kitchen, got a 3-burner cooktop. That's a Furion with an oven. Got the deep round sink, and check out that kitchen faucet. Got more storage up top here. There's all the books for this unit. It's got the nice Jensen stereo with a DVD. Got a really big television. That's a battery television also. Got a queen size bed. It's got your cup holders and charging ports. Take a look at the cab up front here. And 3,800 miles, you know, this is it still smells new on the inside of this unit. If you're looking for a pre-owned, you can't do any better than this one. On the master control panel, if you're up north, this does have the Arctic pack. Kind of light that up there for you. The generator has right at 79 hours. Here's your ceiling. It's got the Atwood air conditioning. Do another quick walk around here. And you can finance this unit for up to 20 years. We deal with most major lending institutions. Interest rates are very low right now. Really not a better time to buy get a very low payment on one of these. And we're located just right outside Charlotte, North Carolina, straight down 2427. It's about a 25-minute drive east. It's a beautiful area. We are 10 minutes from Baden Lake, 10 minutes from Lake Tillery. If you have any questions, please feel free to call the dealership. Any of our staff can answer pretty much anything you can throw at us. You can check this unit out at uarirv.com. Thank you for watching. Please like. Happy camping.